Okay, this is the integer cut and paste activity. So it says cut the cards apart, then match each problem with its solution and number line representation. Glue the cards to the appropriate spot, but be careful because not all the cards are used. So you're going to need scissors and then glue or tape in order to do this. So what you're going to do is, this is your packet that you received. You're going to take off the top two. So there's two separate papers that go with this. We should have copied it back to back. Okay, so problems, then number line, then solution. And then the third paper looks like this in your packet. You're going to rip that one off also. Okay, and then these are the pieces that you're going to cut out so that you can glue them on. So if you look at the first one, okay, it says -9 plus 6. So I have to come up with a number line that shows that and a solution. So if I'm looking at my number lines, remember all your number lines will start with 0. Now theirs looks slightly different than ours because they don't do the hop back like we do, but they all start at 0. So the first thing I need to do is find one that goes from 0 to -9 because that's the first number. So this one goes from 0 to -9, so maybe it's this one. Let's see, no. This one is -8, so that's a no, -6, no. This is -3. This is -5. Oh, so this has to be our number line. Oh, yes, this has to be our number line right here. So let's see if it works. -9 and then plus 6. So that would be 6 spots to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yes, this works perfect. So what I would then do is I'm going to cut out my number line. Okay. So my number line, and I'm going to just paste it on there. Now, what I would do maybe first is I might put all my answers on there and then glue them all down. That way, if I like go further in the paper and I'm like, wait, that number line actually is supposed to go here, then I can change it easily. So I wouldn't glue everything down until I was finally done. I would just maybe set them in the spot. Okay. So then what is -9 plus 6? Well, my signs are different, and different means different, so I'm going to subtract. And then 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 is bigger and 9 is negative. So I need to look for the answer -3. So I look at my paper and sure enough, I find it. My answer of -3. Okay, let's try story problem 1. So right below it, the water level was -4 feet before rainy season. After rainy season, the water level was 4 feet. By how much did the water level change? So this one's a little more interesting. So I have to find a number line that starts at a -4 because it says the water level was -4 feet before rainy season. So let's see what we got. This one goes to 8. This is a positive. Here's a -4. So it could be this one. No. Close, -3, -5. No, oh, here's another one that has -4. So I know it's between this one right here and where was that other one? This one right here. So I know it's one of these two. So again, it said it started at -4, and that's what both of these show. And then it said it after the rainy season, it was at a +4. So I got to show one that ends at a +4. And that's where it's tricky. It's not moving 4 places to the right. It says in the story problem, after the rainy season, the water level was 4 feet. So we know it ends at 4 feet. So we have to look here. This one goes to -4, and then where it ends is a +4. So it looks like it's going to be this one. Down here, -4. Where does it end? Oh, it ends at 0. So it's not that number line. So I'm going to want this number line right here. And then I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it on. Well, I'll cut it and set it on there. I'm not going to paste it till I know all my answers. Now, The question here then is, by how much did the water level change? So this is talking about distance, the distance between two numbers. And to find the distance between two numbers, you'll always do the maximum minus the minimum. Okay? And you can arrange it in any order. It's the maximum, so a positive number, or the biggest negative number, minus the minimum. So here, 4 is my maximum. It ended at 4 feet, minus, what's my minimum? Oh, the lowest it ever got was -4. So 4 is my maximum, -4 is my minimum. Maximum minus minimum. So if I were to rewrite this, it would say 4 plus the opposite of -4 is 4. So I know the water level changed by 8. So I'm going to look on my sheet, and I'm going to see if there's a +8 on my sheet. Yep, there is right here. So I'm going to cut out that piece, and I'm going to glue it on here. And then I'm just going to repeat the process for everything on the card. Be careful with some of the words, like what does overdrawn mean? It means I took out too much. So would that be a positive or negative? What would a fee be? If I had to pay a fee, is that a positive or negative? Down here with the football, lost 6 yards. What would that look like? On the other page, I think this one is fine, and this one is fine. So just be careful of the vocabulary. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email me if you need clarification.